Welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. Tropical storm Alberto dissipates over the central Mexico after heavy rains killed 4. Tropical storm Alberto, the season's first named storm, weakened Thursday as it moved inland over the northeast Mexico after bringing heavy rains to the parts of the parched region and leaving at least 4 dead. Alberto's remnants were scattered over the central Mexico by afternoon, according to the National Hurricane Center. But the forecasters said the heavy rain amounting to several inches fell inland in the Mexico states. South Texas was forecast to see diminishing rain on Thursday. Immediately after it moved ashore in the Tampico, there was initial disappointment at the measured rain that fell, and the showers had been sporadic through the early morning, with the sun even breaking through at times. We had hoped that it would come because water is so needed here, but as far as I can tell, it went somewhere else. But the inland heavy rain was causing damage in the neighboring states of Nuevo León and Veracruz, the agency said. There, the civil protection authorities reported 4 deaths linked to Alberto's rain. They said 1 man died in the La Sela River in the city of Monterrey, the state capital, and that 2 minors died from the electric shocks in the municipality of the Allende. Local media reported that the minors were riding a bicycle in the rain, and the 4th man in the community of the El Carmen was electrocuted when he tried to repair wires in the rain. Water also washed out a segment of the major highway connecting Monterrey and Saltillo. Nuevo León governor wrote on his account on the social media platform X that metro and public transportation services would be suspended in the Monterrey from Wednesday night until midday Thursday, when the Alberto had passed. To the south, in the state of Veracruz, 24 families were left homeless in the state capital of Jalapa after days of the heavy rain collapsed a retaining wall onto the 3 buildings. Alberto had spurred tropical storm warnings covering most of the western Gulf of Mexico's coastline from Texas to Veracruz. The storm made landfall with the maximum sustained winds of 45 miles per hour. Schools were closed across the Tamaulipas state, where the Alberto came ashore and would be through Friday. Shelters were prepared across the state to receive residents trying to escape high water. As much as 5 inches to 10 inches of rain was expected in some parts of the northern Mexico and southern Texas, with even higher isolated totals possible, according to the Hurricane Center. Some higher locations in the Mexico could see as much as 20 inches of the rain, which could result in the mudslides and flash flooding, especially in the states of Tamaulipas, Coahuila, and Nuevo León. Alberto was bringing rains and flooding to the coast of Texas as well. The U.S. National Weather Service said the main hazard for the southern coastal Texas is flooding from the excess rain. Areas along the Texas coast saw some road flooding and dangerous rip currents Wednesday, and waterspouts were spotted offshore. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.